page. Hey YouTube, what's up guys? So I'm coming at you today for my brand new stickers that I have. Looks pretty good. Let's see. Wait, I pull this one. Let me pull this over here. Boom, right in front of my face. That's what it's going to look like. Building Subzila, and there it is, right there. So it is a real sticker. As you can see, if I can hold that straight, there it is. That's the size of it. If you want to get one of these stickers, then just like it says right on the screen here, Building Subzila, that is the email that you want to send to. buildingsubzila@gmail.com. buildingsubzila@gmail.com. Just like it says right there, Building Subzila, all one word. Send that to me, but in the subject line, put Subzila stickers. If you put that in there, send that to me with your name and address. I will get one of these in the mail to you in a nice fancy little envelope. And I'll get it out as soon as I get that email. So while supplies last, I'm going to keep this video up. When I run out of stickers, I'm going to take the video down. So, and then I may order some more, make it some new ones. I think I want to get them with a QR code or something on there, make it easy so if, you can just scan it up pretty quick. But you want one of these for your toolbox. You want one for your, put it on your truck, put it on your garage wall. I got the stuff on my toolbox. I got one on my laptop. You want to put it on your laptop? That's cool. Wherever you want to put one. If you like Squarebodies, that's a pretty cool little sticker. Again, let me pull this back over here. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I like that. Little Subzila sticker. Looks nice, right? So that's the Squarebody. That's the dream. That's what we got going on here. If you like Squarebody Suburbans, you want to put a sticker on your ride, or you just want to do one to support the channel, I appreciate that because that's pretty awesome. Really do appreciate everybody watching and viewing. And if you want to get on the viewer map, again, just tell me you want to be on the viewer map. So if you shoot me one email or comment on this video, I really like to comment on the video because when you hit that comment button, it helps a lot. So let's go to this viewer map behind me, get my camera set up for that one, and I'm going to show you we got a new one. Mason out of, where's he at? Canyon Lake, California. So Mason out of Canyon Lake, California. Got your sticker coming on the way. He's the first one to email me so far before I even got the video up. So he got me on the Facebook channel, Lifted Suburbans. If y'all hadn't been out there, go check it out. It's got some pretty cool people in there. Always something good going on. So hit that one up. And then well, let's go put Mason on the map. We'll see where he's at. Hey, there we go. Maybe a little bit better. All right, so we have a few folks put up in here we've seen in the past. But right now, today, we have, we got Mason out here in Canyon Lake, California, which is going to be like right, let's see, there's Riverside right there. You come down here, Lake Elsinore, San Diego, kind of up a little bit from that and over and about right there somewhere, Canyon Lake. Boop. So we got one right there. So if you're ready to get on this map, all you got to do is send me an email, let me know where you're at, and I will get you plugged in. So we don't have anybody from over here in these weird places yet, I don't think. Do we have? No, we don't. What is this black pen? I guess that's somewhere I've been, Hong Kong. All right, so red pens, that's you guys. That's the viewers. And I'm going to do better with this map. I got to get more light in here. All right. So there you go, Mason. You're on the map. Congratulations. You're the newest viewer on the map. So again, you want to get on that map, shoot me an email. Let me know. If you want a sticker, all you got to do, send it to me at buildingsubzila@gmail.com. And I will get your sticker in the mail. Thanks for watching, you guys. Keep tuned. I got more stuff coming up pretty soon. I know I've been slacking off. It's been a while since I've really done anything. But Subzila needs a little bit of love. I got a few other projects I'm working on. You can check that out on my other channel. But if you want a sticker, let me know. Catch you guys later.